Some projectors are built for casual viewing, and then there are those designed to deliver a full-scale visual experience. This one clearly aims for the latter, combining power, clarity, and flexibility into a single package. The first thing that stands out is the sheer brightness. With an output of 5,500 lumens, this projector performs confidently even in well-lit environments. There's no need to completely darken the room just to enjoy a clear picture. Whether it's daytime viewing, office presentations, or large venue use, the image remains visible, vibrant, and consistent. Moving into image quality, the native 4K resolution makes a noticeable difference. Fine details are sharper, edges look cleaner, and large screen projections maintain their clarity without breaking down. Combined with HDR and HLG support, the overall viewing experience becomes more dynamic. Highlights appear brighter, shadows retain detail, and colors feel more lifelike without being overly saturated. Another major advantage comes from the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based systems, laser projection offers longer lifespan and more stable brightness over time. That means fewer replacements, less maintenance, and consistent performance even after extended use. For users who rely on their projector daily, this becomes a key benefit. Placement flexibility is also a strong point. The 1.7x optical zoom allows for adjustments in screen size without physically moving the projector too much. This gives more freedom when setting up in different room sizes or layouts. In addition, the 360-degree projection capability makes it possible to install the device in various orientations, including ceiling mounts and angled projections. Fine-tuning the image is straightforward thanks to horizontal and vertical keystone correction along with four-corner adjustment. Even if the projector isn't perfectly aligned with the screen, these tools help achieve a properly shaped image. This is especially useful in real-world environments where ideal placement isn't always practical. In terms of design, the focus here is clearly on functionality. The build feels solid and purposeful, aimed at performance rather than aesthetics. It's the kind of device that blends into both home setups and professional environments without drawing unnecessary attention. Connectivity is well covered. It works smoothly with streaming devices, gaming consoles, and computers, making it adaptable for different use cases. Switching between entertainment and productivity feels seamless, which adds to its overall versatility. This projector isn't limited to home theater setups. Its brightness and clarity make it equally effective in business environments such as meeting rooms, classrooms, and event spaces. It handles large-scale projections with ease, ensuring visibility for bigger audiences. Of course, this level of performance places it firmly in the premium category. It's designed for users who want reliability, high brightness, and strong visual quality without compromise. Not necessarily for beginners, but definitely for those looking to invest in something more capable. For anyone planning a serious upgrade, this is the kind of projector that delivers noticeable improvements in both quality and flexibility. To explore more details or check current pricing, take a look at the link in the description.